Most people spend their entire lives chasing income, but income alone rarely creates real wealth. That's because income pays your expenses. Assets, on the other hand, build your future. The problem is that most people were never taught what assets to build early in life. In your 20s and 30s, time is your biggest financial advantage. Because when you build assets early, they have time to grow. But if you delay building assets, wealth becomes much harder later. In this video, we'll break down 5 powerful assets you should start building as early as possible. These are assets that can improve your income, opportunities, and long-term financial stability. Let's start with the first asset. Asset 1. Valuable skills. The first asset you must build is valuable skills. Skills are the foundation of financial growth, because skills determine how much value you can create. And the more value you create, the more income opportunities appear. Some skills dramatically increase earning potential. For example, communication skills can open leadership opportunities. Sales skills can multiply business income. Technology skills are increasingly valuable in today's economy. Problem-solving skills make you valuable in almost any industry. Think of skills as an investment in yourself. Unlike money, skills cannot easily be taken away. The earlier you start developing skills, the greater your financial leverage becomes. Skills are the engine that powers your income growth. That's why skills are the first asset you should build. Asset 2. Investments. The second asset you should build is investments. Investments allow your money to grow over time. Instead of working for money forever, investments allow money to work for you. One of the most common investments is the stock market. When you invest in stocks, you buy ownership in companies. As those companies grow, your investment can grow as well. The real power of investing is compound growth. Compound growth means your returns begin generating more returns. Even small investments can grow significantly over time. Consistency is often more important than starting with large amounts. Investing early gives time for growth to multiply. Time is one of the greatest forces in investing. That's why investments are the second powerful asset to build early. Asset 3. Digital assets. The third asset many people overlook is digital assets. Digital assets are things you create once that can continue producing value. Examples include YouTube channels, online courses, ebooks, websites, and blogs. These assets can continue producing income long after they are created. The internet allows digital assets to reach global audiences. One idea can reach thousands or even millions of people. When digital content creates value, it becomes an asset. Digital assets are powerful because they scale. That's why digital assets are becoming increasingly important in the modern economy. Asset 4. Network. The fourth asset is your network. Your network includes the people you learn from and collaborate with. Opportunities often come through relationships. Many business partnerships start through connections. Career opportunities often appear through people you know. Learning from the right people accelerates growth. Strong networks are built through trust and value. Building a network does not mean knowing thousands of people. It means building meaningful relationships with the right people. Your network can open doors that skills alone cannot. That's why your network is one of the most underrated financial assets. Asset 5. Financial knowledge. The fifth asset is financial knowledge. Financial knowledge helps you make smarter money decisions. Many people earn money, but lose it through poor decisions. Understanding investing helps money grow. Understanding debt helps avoid financial traps. Understanding cash flow improves financial stability. Financial knowledge guides how you build and manage assets. Without knowledge, even high income can disappear. That's why financial knowledge is one of the most important assets you can build. When people think about wealth, they think about money. But wealth is actually built through assets. The 5 assets we discussed today are skills, investments, digital assets, network, financial knowledge. If you start building these assets early, the long-term impact can be extraordinary. Focus on building assets, not just income, because assets are what ultimately create financial freedom.